If you're looking for a low-cost broker, chances are you've seen Tickmill pop up, but is it actually a good deal once you start trading? Hi, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com, and after more than 15 years of reviewing brokers, our team knows how to cut through the marketing and focus on what really matters: hidden costs, platform quality, and how a broker holds up once you start trading. We put Tickmill to the test to answer the most important questions. Can you trust them with your money? Are their fees and spreads genuinely competitive? And do they offer the market's tools and features your strategy needs? We'll also walk you through Tickmill's trading platforms and highlight the features that actually matter. By the end, you will know exactly if Tickmill is a good match for you or if it's better to look elsewhere. Let's get started. Before anything else, let's start with the most important question. Can you trust Tickmill with your money? Tickmill has been around since 2014 and is based in Cyprus. They run several entities around the world and their regulation is on the strong side. They've got licenses from top-tier regulators like CySec in Cyprus, the FCA in the UK, and FSCA in South Africa, and the DFSA in Dubai. And they also have an entity regulated by the FSA in the Seychelles. So what does that mean for you as a trader? First, Tickmill has a solid track record. They've been operating for more than a decade and they employ several hundred people globally. We also found them to be pretty transparent. Trading conditions are clearly explained and the legal documents are easy to access. In terms of safety features, client funds are held in segregated accounts. That means your money is kept separate from the broker's operating funds. Tickmill also offers negative balance protection, so if the market moves fast against you, your account can't drop below zero. One extra feature that stands out is their excess of loss insurance policy. It applies to several regulated entities, and it can cover up to €1 million if something were to go wrong on the broker's side. For clients under the UK entity, there's protection through the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which can cover you up to £85,000. That's a level of added protection you don't see very often. The only small point to note is the spread transparency. Tickmill shows average spreads on their website, not live spreads, so you can't quickly check real-time pricing at a glance. Overall, Tickmill checks most of the right boxes on trust, so they have earned a 4.3 out of 5 for trust. Now, we talked about Tickmill's low-cost reputation, so let's see how their fees and spreads actually look in practice. Tickmill offers 3 main account setups. 2 of them, Classic and Raw, are available on both MT4 and MT5. There's also a separate Raw setup for TradingView and Tickmill Trader. The Classic account is commission-free, with spreads starting from around 1.6 pips. That's usually the simple option for casual traders. The Raw account comes with spreads from 0.0 pips, but you pay a small commission. To keep things fair, we tested spreads on the Classic account during the busiest hours of the London and New York sessions. So what did we find? Overall, spreads were generally favorable. The most competitive pricing in our test showed up on major US stocks, US and European stock indices, and cryptocurrencies. For commodities like gold and oil, spreads were mostly in line with what we typically see. Forex was the weaker spot here. Spreads on some Forex pairs came in on the higher side. We also checked overnight fees. In most cases, swaps were in line with what we usually see, but they were higher on some currency pairs, so it's worth checking if you hold trades for multiple days. In terms of extra fees, there were no deposits or withdrawal charges, which is a plus, but there is an inactivity fee of $10 if your account has no activity for 3 months. So overall, fees look competitive depending on what you trade. Tickmill scored a solid 4 out of 5 in the fees category. Now let's look at the platforms you'll actually be trading on day to day. Tickmill gives you a good range of platform options. It can work for beginners, but it also has enough depth for more experienced traders. First, there's Tickmill Trader, their proprietary platform, and it's available in some regions on web and mobile. It comes with clean charts, custom watch lists, and over 60 indicators, so it is easy to get started with. On top of that, you get the industry staples, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 on desktop, web, and mobile. The desktop versions are the most powerful. That is where you get the best tool sets, including automated trading and one-click execution. The web versions are simpler and more beginner-friendly, but they don't have all the same features. Tickmill also offers an advanced trading toolkit for MT4 and MT5. It adds extra tools directly inside MetaTrader like sentiment data, scanners, alerts, trade management panels, and risk calculators. So you're not constantly jumping between different tools while you trade. If you prefer that ecosystem, Tickmill also supports TradingView, which is popular for charting and community-driven ideas. And finally, they offer VPS hosting, which can help keep your connection stable and reduce delays for automated or high-frequency trading. So we've reviewed the MT5 trading platforms for you so you can see their key features. Let's take a closer look. First, we have the Tickmill MT5 desktop platform, and it's been upgraded with the Tickmill Acuity Trading Toolkit and the Advanced Trading Toolkit plugins. So you still get the standard MT5 features like Market Watch on on the left showing the available instruments, the chart area in the middle, chart types and drawing tools on the top, and a full range of timeframes. But the big difference is what these toolkits add on top. If we look in the navigator window, you'll notice extra indicators and tools that you don't get with just the basic setup. This is things like pivot points, Renko charts, and more. And if we scroll down, you'll also see a whole set of Acuity tools for market research and trade ideas, plus Tickmill's extra plugins like the mini terminal, trade terminal, correlation matrix, and correlation trader. One of the most useful add-ons here is the mini terminal. When you enable it on a chart, it pops up on the right-hand side and gives you quick trade controls, including preset trade sizes, so placing orders is faster. You've also got the latest insights tab, which pulls together market themes and trading ideas, things like the most talked about markets, key news, and upcoming calendar events. Then there is Analysis IQ, which provides trading signals across different asset classes. As you can see here, you can click Trade Now, and it will place the trade for you. On top of that, there's also signals available through Signal Center. Placing a trade in general is still very simple. You can use the Tickmill Trade Terminal plugin, or just go with the regular one-click trading at the top. Hit Buy or Sell, and the trade opens. Your account info and open positions update on the right-hand side, and you can also track everything in the toolbox window at the bottom. From there, it's easy to add stop loss and take profit levels and close trades as well. Overall, the Acuity add-ons and the Advanced Trading Toolkit, you get a fantastic range of extra trading tools, and it works great for a range of trading styles. Next, let's take a look at the MT5 mobile app on an iPhone. If you tap the search icon, you can browse all the tradable instruments available with the broker. Just pick a market, let's say Aussie USD, then hit the chart icon to pull up the chart. Across the top, you can switch between different timeframes, and you've also got plenty of indicators you can add, plus drawing tools if you like to mark things up. You can also trade straight from the app with one-click trading. Just tap buy or sell and your trade opens instantly. Then if you head over to the trade tab, you can see your open positions, tap on one and manage it from there, set the stop loss and take profit, adjust the position or close it out. Overall, Tickmill's MT5 mobile app is really easy to use, and it's a handy way to trade when you're away from your desk. All in all, Tickmill has a strong lineup of platforms for different experience levels, so they scored 4.2 out of 5 in this category. Finally, does Tickmill actually give you enough markets to trade? They offer more than 600 CFDs that include 62 Forex pairs, 19 commodities, 19 indices, 15 cryptos, 25 ETFs, and almost 500 share CFDs. So how does that compare to what most brokers offer? The number of Forex pairs, shares, and crypto is pretty average. Where Tickmill stands out is the commodities and indices here. The selection is noticeably stronger, and if you're with the UK entity, you can also access futures and options. All in all, the market selection is solid, so Tickmill earns a 4.3 out of 5 here. Before we get to the most important part, who Tickmill is really best for, here's why our take matters. Our team includes experienced analysts and active traders. We've been reviewing brokers for over 15 years, and we have tested more than 300 brokers overall, so we know what to look for and what to watch out for. So the big question, is Tickmill the right broker for you? Let's quickly dig through the main pros and cons. On the plus side, Tickmill operates through several global entities which are regulated by top-tier authorities. Overall protections are strong, although they vary depending on the entity you sign up with. You also get a solid market range. There are more than 600 CFDs across multiple asset classes. Platform-wise, Tickmill gives you options. Their Tickmill Trader platform is available on web and mobile, and it's clean and easy to use. You can also trade on MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, so it covers a wide range of trading styles. Tickmill also connects to the popular TradingView platform, home to one of the world's largest social trading communities. Account choice is another plus. The Classic account is commission-free with spreads starting around 1.6 pips. The Raw account starts from 0.0 pips with a $6 round-term commission, which is pretty standard. There's also a separate Raw setup for TradingView and Tickmill Trader, with spreads from 0.0 pips and a $7 round-term commission, but only on those platforms. In our testing, the most competitive pricing showed up on major US stocks, stock indices, and crypto. Research and education are also strong here. Tickmill provides regular market breakdowns plus actionable trading signals from Acuity. And the education section is packed with videos, articles, webinars, and ebooks for different experience levels. They also have a podcast called Bright Minds, which covers trading topics you don't always hear elsewhere. Now, on the downside, Tickmill Trader and TradingView aren't available in all regions. And if you want commission-free trading, the Classic account isn't available on those platforms. Finally, overnight swaps were average to high depending on the market, so it's something to consider if you hold trades for longer. So with all that in mind, who is Tickmill best suited for? Tickmill can be a strong fit for day traders and scalpers. Execution is fast, around 15 milliseconds, and spreads can be favorable depending on what you trade. You also get a good mix of platforms with solid charting tools. It's also a good match for automated traders. You can run expert advisors on the MT4 and MT5 desktop platforms, and Tickmill offers VPS hosting too, which can help keep execution stable and reduce delays. For social and copy trading, you can use MetaTrader's built-in options on MT4 and MT5, and Tickmill doesn't charge an extra service fee for that. Tickmill also connects to TradingView, which gives you another route if that's the platform you prefer. The broker can work for casual traders as well. The platform range is broad, the minimum deposit is low, and the market research is genuinely useful. One thing to note though, if you want TradingView or Tickmill Trader, the commission-free Classic account isn't offered there, but it is available on MT4 and MT5 instead. And for swing traders, overnight fees can run a bit high on some markets, but you still get access to longer-term instruments like ETFs and indices. Overall, we gave Tickmill a 4.4 out of 5, a solid above-average broker, especially for cost-focused and active traders. Want to check them out? Click the link in the description or in the top right corner to get the best offer available in your region. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth broker reviews. And while you're at it, check out this video we picked for you. It might be just what you're looking for.